Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making vegan ceviche, one of mine and my husband's favorite things to make. Right now we are actually, well, my husband, he's actually in the store getting the ingredients that we need to make this dish, because it's one of my dad's favorite things that we make. So we're gonna be making that for Father's Day today. And yeah, today is just gonna be a relaxing day and we're just gonna chill and eat lots of food. So the next time I will see you guys is we're gonna be at home and going straight into making this video because I don't want to waste any time. So let's get straight into it. See you guys there. Here are the ingredients that we are going to be needing to make this dish. We are making a big batch, but if it's only a couple of you that want it, then make half of everything that we're making. We're going to start by taking off the leaves from the cauliflower and just making sure everything is nice and cleaned off of there. This is what it's going to look like, and make sure you rinse it under some water to make sure everything is nice and clean. Then put that cauliflower inside of that boiling water and let it boil. After it's done boiling, rinse it off with cold water, and you can go right into just putting the knife to that cauliflower and cutting it up. But make sure that you guys don't go to the roots of the cauliflower because we just want the floury part, the goodness, the good part. Just like when you eat, you know, broccoli, you like that top part better than the bottom part. That's what we want with the cauliflower, so get that part. And this right here is what you guys want it to look like after. This is the bad part, nasty, we don't like her. And then here's Danny. He wanted some video time, so I let him get in. He's just chopping up all that cauliflower, making sure it's nice and tiny so it's bite-sized. And yeah, that's what you gotta do to make this perfect little cauliflower plate. And here she is, another view of her just chilling, sitting in her bowl, ready to eat. She ready. After preparing your cauliflower, make sure to go straight into your lime part because that also kind of cooks the cauliflower. It makes it nice and good, and it just, like, you know, it just gives it the flavor that it needs to just taste super good. So put that in first because it's just good. It's really good. And here we're just doing a ghetto way of cooling everything down. We noticed that the cauliflower is kind of hot still, so we put an ice bowl in there to make it cool down. And now we're just going to be cutting our onion to put inside of our bowl because you need onion. I forgot to mention that everything is personal preference on how much you put of everything inside of the bowl. We like a lot of onion, so we are adding a lot of onion, but this is all up to you as to how much you need in yours. And we like a lot of cucumbers, so we're adding 2 cucumbers to our bowl. It's so bomb. It's just so nice and fresh, so we like cucumber, a lot of cucumber. Just throw that sucker in, and yeah, it's really good. And here's Danny mixing it up better than a mixtape. Oh my god. After this, pretty much everything's pretty much self-explanatory. Danny's just out here hyping himself up, thinking he's the best cameraman ever. But yeah, right now we're just cutting up cilantro and throwing it in the bowl. Now here I am adding in the tomatoes, cutting them nice and cube size so they're easy to eat. It's all just self-explanatory, making sure that the stem isn't in there and cutting it into cube sized and throwing it in the bowl, like I said. And I'm also going to add in the cilantro and just, you know, mix everything up. Make sure everything's mixed. Girl, make sure that shit is mixed. And this part is totally optional. It is adding a serrano pepper. So if you guys don't like serrano peppers or you guys don't like yours to be too spicy, then you guys can skip this part, but we like ours to have at least a little bit. I like mine personally really spicy, but my family doesn't. Some of my family members, they don't like it too spicy, so of course I'm only gonna put 1. But yes, add as much or as little as you want and it'll be so bomb. But look at this. Ooh, a perfect little masterpiece if you don't say so myself. And now everything is done. Make sure to add a little bit of salt. And we also add some garlic powder and mix it all up. And girl, this is an absolute snack. It is bomb. Okay guys, so that was super easy. I like this recipe because it's not a lot of cooking and it's super self-explanatory. not a lot of cooking, like I said. So it's just like chopping vegetables and things like that and throwing it all together. And yeah, you guys, it was super easy, and I hope you guys find it to be easy as well. So this is what it comes out looking like. I like to top mine with Valentina, and I eat it with the tostada like most people do. But yeah, you guys, it's super easy. If you guys do end up trying this, let me know, because I am interested to know. A lot of non-vegans, they try it, who we've made it for. When they try it, they say that it tastes like regular ceviche. So if you guys do try it, let me know, because I'm curious to know if it does taste like regular ceviche or not, because I personally have never ate regular ceviche. So if you guys do try it, let me know, because I'm curious to know. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you guys are notified every single time that I upload. And have a great week, guys. Bye.